Hello everyone, if you're trying to play GTA 5 and you keep getting this error, offline mode could not establish connection, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to fix this annoying error on Rockstar Games Launcher easily. So first off, you're going to open up your Explorer and then you're going to go to your C drive, you're going to go into Program Files. Here you're going to find the folder called Rockstar Games, you're going to go into Launcher, Redist, Social Club, and here you have this file called social club setup.exe. You're just going to open it up, click yes on it, and it will repair your Rockstar Games launcher. After that, you're going to go to your C drive, users, you're going to select your username, go into documents, and then you'll have Rockstar Games here. You're just going to go ahead and delete this Rockstar Games folder. And once you delete this folder, now what you're going to do is you're going to restart your computer. And once you're done with the restart, now when you open up the Rockstar Games launcher, you'll see that it will work correctly and you will not get that offline mode error anymore. So there it is guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Peace.